Joining MyTeachersFiji is very easy. On the home page of our website, you can click on any of the sign-up links. These links are located at the top as well as at the bottom of the home page. Clicking this link will take you to a sign-up form. It is very important that you fill all the fields and then you press Submit. Please note that registration is not automatic. You will receive the first email to acknowledge your registration application. Please wait until one of our team members approve your application, and once approved, you will then receive a second email to confirm that. You must now log in using your email and password that you supplied in the sign-up form. If you have any difficulties, please contact us through our email, which is located at the bottom of our homepage. One of our team members will be more than happy to assist you. Enjoy the resources, enjoy the MyTeachersFiji experience, and please do send us any feedback. Now, what I really wanted to show you was on the home page. This is the home page, is where we have organized the different subjects, the resources under different subjects. Quite often, we find that people have actually come onto this home page and saw these subjects and probably haven't gone any further than this, only because they probably have not registered. So for example, if you're teaching accounting, biology, chemistry, if you are not registered, if you click on this, it will probably take you nowhere. But if you have registered, then if you click on one of these subjects here, it will take you to the next page. And again, we have organized resources under the different year levels. So this was chemistry. If you're teaching year 11 chemistry, we have some ideas of planners, some notes, sheets, PowerPoints, practical experiments, assessments, exams, year 12, year 13, as well as on the left-hand side here, there are video resources. Let me first of all show you where the worksheets are and what happens after this. So once you come to this point here, click on worksheets and it will take you to a Google Drive that will, so you can, this is where you access the actual worksheets itself. This one. Let me go this one. And there you go. So here's something on periodic table. There you go. You have all this. If I go back to the home page, one of the things we have found is, especially the primary school teachers who have come onto this site, they have probably left from this point thinking this is all about secondary school. But as you know, we are still populating, we are still getting people. Teachers like yourselves are contributing resources, and we are building this bank of resources. English primary, if you click on this, so we have set it up again as year 1, year 2, year 3, or the primary year levels. If you want some worksheets in year 1, so this was in English. Again, we have tried to categorize resources in English under grammar, punctuation, reading, spelling. If I go into grammar, and there you go, we have lots of worksheets here. Can I encourage people, if you have resources that you are happy to share with your peers, please use the email address that you have received emails from us. Use that email to send us resources, and we'll be more than happy to share your resources, put it on our platform so that it's there for the other teachers to use. So that's the resource section. So if I go back to the home page, so this is where you'll find worksheets, resources, tests, assessments, exams. You will find that, as I said, this is a collaboration not just from Fiji. We have people from New Zealand, people from US, Australia, New South Wales, Sydney, Melbourne, lots of different places where teachers have come together and have shared resources. So some of these things you might not find all organized in the relevant Institutes Fiji, but you will find quite a lot of useful resources. And big thank you to those of you who have contributed as well. And I urge all of you to get involved, and please do share, and use the email address that we have sent you emails from to do that. Now, so homepage, you have these different subjects, and then we have got a section here where it says events, comments, and news. Any article that we think, any newspaper articles, anything that's relevant to education, that we might write or that we find, you will find them all in here. And again, if you come across something, if you've come across a reading material that you think is worth sharing with other teachers, please send us a link, send us that, and again we will very happily put that up on this platform. We have also started populating an honor roll for past teachers. If you think back 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago, your own teachers who have taught you, we would like to collect as many names of teachers in Fiji. As you can see, it is still growing. Please do send us names of your teachers or teachers who have taught you, primary school, secondary school, anyone. We want to create a list of all the teachers that have taught in Fiji, and I think we have said up until 2015. So the resources, there's all the different blogs, teachers, some of the videos that we like. So the MyTeachersFiji actually has its own video channel as well on YouTube. So as you can see, we have videos collected into a bank for say early childhood education, environmental and climate, healthy living, English, geography, physics. So we've got all these. You don't have to actually come to YouTube to find our channel. Actually, if I go back from here, sorry, let me just show you this. Once you come to one of these subjects here, let's say go to biology, and on this side here you've got video resources, and you will find biology videos under this particular section. And again, if you come across any YouTube videos that you think is worth sharing with the rest of them, send us a link and we'll happily put this up here as well. And we are also going to acknowledge people who contribute resources, and we will compile a list of them. Now, this is, as I said, it's still growing. We urge as many of you to take part and be involved. So Currently, these are the people who have shared so far. And again, a big thank you to this. And we look forward to as many of you taking part and contributing the resources. And we'll put them up here as well. So just a reminder, please, if you haven't registered, if you haven't signed up, do sign up. Share this with your colleagues. And it's only when you sign up, then you would be able to go all the way to the resources and get resources from there.